All right, well, I'm going to try something I haven't tried in a very long time. I'm going to do a finger painting. All right. Well, come on, let's go give this a shot. See what happens. Oh no. All right. I'm going to attempt a finger painting. All this is red on a canvas board. So, and yep, right. Uh-huh. If I'm gonna do it, watch out. If I'm gonna do a finger painting, well, you just kind of got to do the same thing. That's a lot of paint. Ooh, man. Okay, so, right, that's all we need to do. So far, just get all that covered. And wash your hands off, even though it's acrylic. Right, you don't want it to dry there. Alright, so we've got all that covered up, and we'll get back to you. Uh-huh, finger painting. Hello. Alright, we're back. We've still got this red on here, and it's really thick. I put a whole lot more than I actually really needed, but like I said, I haven't done finger painting in, you know, a long, long time. Got my heater here, and what you want to do anytime that you're doing art, whether it's acrylic or oil, doesn't matter. You want to let each layer dry, especially doing something like this, but it's going to take a minute. But, alright, yeah, okay. We're starting with the furthest thing away, which is the sky, and that's what you want to do with anything. Right, and work toward you. Okay. Alright, update. That was so thick. What I did was I took an old t-shirt. You can see that, and I just, like you would a brush, just rubbed it in and rubbed it all over. But yeah, because I've never done this. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's yeah, we're learning here. So, all right. Okay, we're finger painting this thing. I've washed my hands off. Everything's dry, pretty much. I don't know what I'm gonna do or what it is, but I'm starting off with red, and I got some white over here, so I'm just gonna, do that. And let's see. I don't know. Hang on. Just right over here, over there, a little bit, whatever. Right, and go back over to white, and just keep going. And right. Now I'm using three fingers. So just kind of, I don't know. Somebody's calling me. That's funny. But yeah, let's go back over here. All right, hang on. Okay. So anyway, down here, same thing. Just in up here, back on the white. I'm just using my fingers, and whatever, and sinky, winky, winky, and go back over here, and right. Blending. The red is dry. The white is not. So a little bit, maybe. Huh? Let's see. Step back. Take a look. All right. All right. Well, you can probably hear that, but and we'll go from there a little bit more, right over here in the center, because there it's whatever. But okay. So yeah, sideways. Ooh, you know what? That kind of looks good. It don't matter about that. Anyway, okay. Let me wash my hands off. We'll get back. Okay, so hands are washed off. Everything's dry. We got this is all we got: red and white. Now over here, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Start off with one finger, the orange, and it's up here, and see what happens. Blend it. Now you use all your fingers. Right, just like that. Come back because it's gonna soak in there really fast. Right. Okay, that looks good. So, and just keep going. I know I'm moving around a lot and fast, but yeah, this is a different technique, and it's strange to me, but okay. Yeah, it's yeah, it's different. Wow. Okay, let's see. step back, look, okay, up here a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it goes in there really fast, soaks in to the canvas. This canvas board, this is acrylic. Right. Yeah, okay, I got you. All right. Uh-huh. Well, we're still on the, we're doing it. We're finding out together. All right, hang on. Okay, washed all that orange off. That's all dry because I've got my little heater over here, and you need to let each layer dry. Uh, right. So now what I'm going to do, orange is still there, but now I'm just going to take my finger and try it out. Put some on there, and go back up here, right? You know, and see what that does. And okay, right. So we're gonna go back, and now that we know, kind of have an idea. Okay, so we've got red, orange, and now I mean, when I'm doing this, that paint is soaking in there really, really fast. So yeah, right. And I'm just using my fingers. Oh no, now I'm just hey, okay, all right, back over here, and same thing. And up here, just anywhere you want it, actually. But I'm just trying to make a sky, and I'm finger painting after, I don't know, 50 years probably. But it's funny. But okay, let's work. All right, yeah, I know. It's yellow, more yellow fingers. Hello, right. It is soaking in there really quick. Ooh, that's nice. Hang on. Yeah, let's go back over here and do that again. And just don't rub it in so much. Just because you want different layers of different colors. Right. Ah, okay, hang on. Yeah, all right. And okay, well we're getting there. All this doesn't really matter. All right. All right. This is all dry. We've added some yellow and orange and red, and that's it. So now we're just gonna go over here. We're just right. Okay. So all right, up in here somewhere. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yep. And we're gonna add two fingers, and we're going to kind of just go in circles and just do what clouds. You know what clouds are, right? Right. Come back over here. Leave spaces in between, because those are the you know, dark spaces in between clouds. You know what I'm talking about. Right, right. And just go and just keep on. It doesn't matter how far down you get, because there's going to be landmass down there. And also, if you want to create spaces, just keep rubbing, because that paint is soaking in there so fast. See, the more it's dry already. That's dry. So, and let's see, over here, this, right. Like I said, this paint dries fast when you're doing it this way. Right. A little bit more. Then leave spaces in between. So the light. Well, you'll see the light. You'll see the light. Right. And you can blend it. Uh-oh. Right. Uh-huh. Yeah, get out of here. Just kind of, right. Uh-huh. Kind of like that. A little bit more. I don't know. Just wherever. Okay. Kind of like that. Right. Uh-huh. All right. Hang on. Okay. Well, we're doing finger painting here. Hey. All right. Let everything dry. Okay. So all this is dry. And now we're going to go over here into some black. We're going to use two fingers on this one because it's going to require quite a bit of, let's just use this one. And, right. I don't know. Go over there, and we're creating the landscape, I guess you call it, over here. Right. And now, like I said before, this paint is drying it's soaking into this canvas very quickly. I don't know why. Anyway, all right. All right, that's good. Okay, but yeah, down here, hey, this, I don't know what is going on. I don't have a picture I'm looking at. I'm just using my imagination. And okay, down here, come on over, and go back over here. I'm just using fingers now. I got located away while I was talking. Okay, all right, that's okay. All right, so and just okay, just come on, cause we're knocking stuff over now. We're having some fun, ain't we? All right, okay, fingers. Leave a little space in there like that. Let's cover this red up, right there and right there, and a little bit more fingers. And leave that right there. And let's see. Okay, let me go wash my hands off for a second, and we'll let this dry, and we'll go back to it. Okay, everything's dry, and we're still. This is a finger painting. We've done all this, done all that. Let's move back. Okay, so that's what it looks. Now we're gonna go over here to some white, and we're just gonna gently on the finger, because right, we're doing a finger painting. Just gently tap. Right, white. Oh no, smooth it around. No, phone's making noises. Right, back over here in some white. And then this is almost dry. The white is almost dry. But so now we're gonna go into black. And this is wet. So, and it's gonna be hard to do with a finger. But let's see. Hang on. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm not used to finger painting, but okay. Alright, that seems to be okay. A little bit. Oh, try to do whatever. Something. Yeah, that's weird. A little bit more black over here. Yeah, I got a big old finger too, but let's see. Kinda. I mean, we'll get it to where it looks like it needs to be, I guess. But it's kind of strange. All right, hang on. We'll see. All right. So I took some black and I just kind of went over here and filled in a little bit and filled in a little bit. And this is not perfect because you're using your fingers, but so far I think this is kind of looking pretty good, I guess. But hey, who knows? Alright, yeah, white. I don't know. And just, two fingers. I have no idea what I'm doing, but so we'll just kind of, and right, white down here. And alright, I know. Just, and if it needs to be, it starts to get too dry, just dip your fingers in some water and wet it and go back and forth and stuff. And because it's acrylic, it's water soluble, so it will blend easier and better with water, because oil base will not. So let's see. Okay, I don't know. A little bit more white down here. Right, I know. It's crazy. So, and maybe let's see, one more little thing right about here. Side to side. While it's still moist. Moist enough. If it's not, which it ain't, we're going to a little bit of water. Alright, and we're just going to blend that. Yeah, see? See how that comes together? Alright, so here's where we're at. We're almost done.